Hello students, welcome to financial accounting class. This is in the previous class we was dealing with the difference between pro forma invoice and account sales, and today we'll be just checking with how do we prepare account sales. I told you in the previous class that pro forma invoice has been prepared by the consignor and is sent to the consignee, whereas account sales is being prepared by the consignee and it is sent to the consigner. Okay, if you're getting confused with this, just remember that pro forma invoice is sent when the owner is giving the goods, okay, to the consignee, whereas account sales are being done by the consignee and the details of the sales is being sent by the consignee to the owner, that is the consigner. Well, in today's class we'll check out as to how the consignee prepares the account sales. Okay, this is how the consignee prepares the account sales, wherein it tells regarding what is the gross sales. Okay, what is the quantity, that is the how do you calculate gross sales? Quantity, sorry, quality into price. Okay, then what, this is the amount that you get, that is whatever is the sales being made, whatever quality of goods have been sold, into the price being quoted for those. Here you get the amount. Next, less the expenses paid by the consignee. I told you that when you are having goods being sold, all the expenses which are incurred for the goods are being borne by the consignor and not the consignee. Agent is not going to bear any expenses. All the expenses are being borne by the owner. Okay, that is why from the sales amount, expenses which are made by the consignee are being deducted. Okay, so less expenses paid by the consignee, this is the total that you get. Next, less commission of the consignee for selling the goods. When the goods are being sold by the consignor, he gives, sorry, when the goods have been sold by the consignee, the consignor gives some amount of commission. Okay, commission for selling the goods. This commission is being given to the consignee, so the consignee deducts the amount of commission as well. Okay, less the amount of commission, whatever amount of commission the consignee has quoted in the consignment while signing the agreement. Okay, consignment agreement, when he is signing the agreement, the amount of commission that he has quoted, percentage of commission that he has quoted, that also will be deducted by the consignee. So he will first take his share of commission, then this total is being added, that is after getting the sales. Next, the expenses are being deducted, whatever expenses are being made by the consignee on the goods. That is, suppose if the expenses relating to unloading the goods, okay, from the say from the lorry till the warehouse. Okay, when he's unload from the lorry, he is unloading the goods and taking it to his warehouse, or let's say to his outlet where he is going to sell the goods. Okay, so all the expenses on unloading the goods are being borne by the consignor and not the consignee, so these expenses are also being deducted. Then whatever is the amount of commission that the consignee has to get is also being deducted, and the total is being got. Next, less advance paid by the consignee. Now, what is this advance that is being paid by the consignee? As I told you that the consignor is giving the right to the consignee to sell the goods. Okay, now for example, suppose say the consignor has sent goods worth rupees 10,000 for sales to the consignee. Now the worth rupee, if the goods are worth rupees 10,000 and if the consignee has given some amount of advance, okay, say for example he has given 4,000 rupees in advance to the consignor. Consignee has given some amount of advance to the consignor beforehand, before he makes the sales. Then that expenses, that is the advance amount which he has paid of 4,000, will be deducted. Okay, so entire expenses what he makes, that is expenses on the goods, then his commission, then any of the amount of advance that has been paid by the consigner to the consignee, I mean by the consignee to the consigner, is also been deducted, and the net amount is been told to the consigner. Okay, all these are the, this is the net amount that has been borne by the by the consigner for selling the goods. Okay, I hope you have understood this class. In the next class we'll deal with the different aspects. Thank you.